my queen, so I'm back to give you an update on that Halo Lady Hair short bob unit that I unboxed the other day. So let me just give you a brief description. It's their short bob with natural straight Brazilian human hair. It's got a 13x4 parting space. It is lace front. The color that I did it in is actually natural. It is about 8 inches long and the cap size is average. The grade of the hair is 9A and it's a 130 density. So I've actually put together a little video for you. So just keep watching and you will see the final results. All right, my queen. So this is the bob that I got from Halo Lady on Amazon. So I'm just actually washing the hair now. I'm using some Pantene Pro V shampoo. And I'm just giving this hair a good wash, and then I will use some conditioner on this, and we'll see what happens. I'll be using some Pantene Pro V conditioner on the hair, and the conditioner is actually still on the hair. I just actually combed through it, and as you can see, there's no shedding at all. Ladies, this is some good quality hair. Water that I actually wash the hair in is lukewarm. That means it's not too hot and it's not too cold. I actually washed out the conditioner, so now I'm just going to lay this on a towel to dry. And once the hair dries, I will do a styling video, and you ladies can see what that looks like. But this is some really great quality hair. So this is how I lay my wigs to dry. So once the hair dries, I will do a styling for you and you will see what the hair looks like after all that shampoo and conditioning process. But ladies, Halo Lady on Amazon, check them out. You won't be disappointed. All right, my queen, so I hope you enjoyed that little video I put together. So this is the actual finished styling that I did. I actually trimmed a little bit of the longer pieces that were in the front. I'll actually go ahead and link down below my original unboxing on this hair so you can watch it if you missed out. But this is what I came up with. So this is some great quality hair. Once again, it's Halo Lady Hair on Amazon, and they're also on other social media, which I will link down below as well. So let me give you a 360. So this is the right side. This is the left side, and this is the back. So the back has like layers to it. I hope I did a good job curling this hair. I was trying to do it on myself and not so much on the mannequin. But yeah, this is a great, you know, summer hair. Everyday wear if you want to go to work, to the beach, on a date, you know, just hanging out with the girls type of hair. So yeah, you ladies definitely check them out. This is worth it. Let me know what you think about this update, and it's been a week. So I will definitely keep you ladies up to date on this hair. I did a middle part because when you think bob, you just think middle part, but I can always part it to the side. And add powder to the hair, or you can part it to the other side. But that's the hairline. So yes, ladies, this is some gorgeous, gorgeous hair. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment, or my email address is down below if you want to hit me up. Just send me an email and let me know if I left anything out. Like I said, Halo Lady Hair, you can find them on Amazon, and I will leave the link down below with all their information. And this was very inexpensive. If you ladies care to know, it's very, very, very inexpensive. So until my next unboxing, which will be very, very soon, I just want you ladies to know that I do appreciate you for taking the time to watch my videos. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Do not hesitate. Show me some love. Don't forget to like and share this video and turn on your notifications so you won't miss out on any future uploads. All right, my queens. Stay fabulous, stay blessed. Know that God is always watching, so do the right thing. And I love you, ladies. Thank you so much. One love. Mwah. Ladies, this is some gorgeous hair. Gorgeous. Gorgeous.